Yes.
Please go back. Go on, sir. Ask him a question. No lie. Ask him a question.
Well,
Don't set your this in life.
as you can see, the House just rose from plenary, and with all humility, I must thank my colleagues, 26 assembly members who have just elected me as the new Speaker of the 10th Rivers State House of Assembly. My commitment to Rivers people is that I will be fair, I will be just to all and sundry, and I will ensure that the rule of law takes its course. I will not betray my colleagues, I will not betray Rivers people, I will not betray my constituents. I will also ensure the independence of the Rivers House of Assembly is adhered to with mutual respect to the judiciary and the executive arm of government. Everything due my colleagues, as honorable members, constitutionally will be given to them. And the honorable members that have been suspended, as has been published, which people have seen, will also be given fair hearing. The committee on information will publish their names, and the House has urged the House Committee on Petitions to give them fair hearing, colleagues. The House has also adjourned Sinidai because the PASAN Parliamentary Association has served us a notice of indefinite strike from Abuja. So we can't sit again. It therefore holds that any sitting after now will not hold water because they have given us an official notice, which is received. And also you have been told the people that have been suspended. So you have to work with that. Anybody, I tell people, the court is there. If you have any grievances, you can always approach the court. So that is the resolution of the House. I want to thank my colleague. Anytime I'm called to service, I'm here to serve Rivers people. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.